If you and your family have finally outgrown your first starter home and are ready to begin your journey onto your dream home, I present to you this Westin home with over 3,600 square feet of living space and high ceilings. Let me show you what it's all about. Guys, this home is located in Colton, which is a community being called the new and upcoming Woodlands. Lots of space to add some garden and flowers here. And then over to this section, it kind of gives me some desert vibes with no grass. You just have the rocks. Now here we go in the entrance, and I don't know about you guys, but immediately when I walk into a Westin home, I know I'm inside a Westin home because they have these grand foyers. Take a look at that. High ceilings, dome ceilings, an abundance of windows, and they always do a very unique design on their staircase. Usually you see the spiral staircase. Here you see a floating one. Now over to the side of the door, you have your work from home office with carpet. Now, if you like working from home, but don't like being claustrophobic or like feeling cluttered, then this office is perfect for you because you have high ceilings, giving you plenty of breathing room, picture windows so it doesn't feel closed off. And I'm sure once you add some paintings, some of your awards in here, it'll look much, much better. And off to the other side, you have your first bedroom, guys. So this will be a 4-bed, 4.5 bath, this being the first one. So you have 2 downstairs, 2 upstairs, and this one is an ensuite. So perfect for guests staying over, as it is on the first floor. They don't have to go upstairs, and they have a bit of privacy here because of the ensuite. It does have a shower there. Good amount of closet space. Now, if you're someone who doesn't like having too many people over, but you have an older teenager who appreciates their privacy, then this room can be for them as well. Now, moving along, we did take a look at the stairs, but here's a closer look. You have an extra bit of square footage added on because of this little area. I have a cat. I'm sure they would spend a lot of time there basking in the sun underneath the stairs. But yeah, if you want to add some unique custom cabinets here, maybe a pet area here, you can definitely do that there. And moving forward, you have a powder room. Pretty simple with a sink for your guests to use there. And finally, you will be located in your grand living room. You have an open concept floor plan. Take a look at these 20-foot plus high ceilings here. You do have a beautiful electric fireplace onto this side that you can customize with different colors to set the tone here in the living room. And of course, you have plenty of space right above to add your 100-inch TV if you would like to. Abundance of windows there, taking a view to your backyard where you have no rear neighbors. And off to the kitchen, you have a beautiful quartz waterfall island, providing you with an abundance of cabinet space there. Floor to ceiling cabinets here in this section. Take a look at all the space. You have a farmhouse sink here, and take a look at the view from here. You can stay connected while you're cooking with all your family and guests. You have 2 sidebar areas here. So this will be the first one. You can see you have floating shelves, a big picture window, plenty of outlets to add an air fryer here, a coffee maker, anything you desire with some cabinet space to add your creamers and stuff like that. Now over here, you have your pantry area. You can see it's here. A good amount of space there. But if you do need more, you do have this kind of hidden pantry area over here where you can add a fridge. You have your double ovens here and microwave. And as you can see, the appliances are currently missing, but they will be added by the time this home closes. And over here, we have the second bar area. If you like hosting and serving, you can put out the food here. People can line up and go ahead and grab their food. I would personally add maybe some underlighting underneath these floating shelves to give a bit of character, but it is beautiful on its own already. You can also add some paintings here, some family portraits, some pictures, some collector's items that you may want to display. And then behind the kitchen, you do have your mudroom with some shoe racks. You can add some coat hangers, and of course, a 4-car garage, guys. Now, I know a lot of people park their cars in the driveway just because they like to use their garage as a workshop, as a home gym, as storage. Here, you can fit 2 cars over there and still have space to add some storage, some workshops, a home gym through here. Or if you just want to store all 4 of your vehicles in here, maybe an exotic car or a motorcycle, this is perfect for you guys. You also have a tankless water heater for added efficiency in there. So lots of space for you to convert it into anything you may need and like. Now, moving along to your formal dining space, you have this pendant light fixture here and just truly an abundance of natural light all through this space, making it feel very warm and inviting. And here in the formal dining room, right next to your kitchen, to have those family nights, you can actually be eating and have views over to the big TV that you will go ahead and place once you move in. And of course, you have a glass sliding door leading into your back covered patio. It goes ahead and opens up twice for added convenience. If you like having a family night outside, this will make it very easy for you to go ahead and prepare the food and bring it out here. You have a covered patio, all side brick home, and you do have a gas line there if you want to add an outdoor grill. Like I briefly mentioned, no outdoor neighbors and a very good sized yard. Let's go ahead and take a look over here. You have this big side yard where you have your 2 AC units, and it extends all the way up to this side because you are in a cul-de-sac lot. So that goes ahead and provides you with plenty of space. Take a look over here where you can add maybe a pool, a outdoor play area, and you actually still have plenty of space over there. Kind of feels a bit sectioned off this side over there. That feels a bit more like public area, and over here it feels a bit more private, and you do have plenty of shade with this beautiful forest in the back. Now you may be wondering what this barrel is for. So when it rains, the gutters actually drain into that water barrel and collects that rainwater. So if you like gardening and maintaining a beautiful yard, then you're gonna have rainwater at your disposal so that you can keep your water bill low. You have a faucet there where you can let out some water and, for example, water your plants once you add them out here. Now guys, let's go ahead and check out the backyard, which is the second bedroom located on the first floor, and it'll go ahead and wrap around back into the foyer. Here you have your primary with carpet, views to your backyard so no one's disturbing you. Plenty of space in here. And as we head into the primary bathroom, you have this beautiful marble tile for the flooring, and it matches very well with these quartz countertops. On the dual sinks, you have one for him and one for her over here with a built-in vanity for her to get ready. And connecting it all in the middle is this big soaking tub to relax and unwind after long days of work. Blurred picture windows bringing in some natural light. And if we turn around, you have some extra shelving space there. A pretty good size stand-up shower here with that same tile up on the floor, extending up here into the walls. Some added shelving space there. Bronze finishes on the faucets. And next up is your private toilet there. And you will have dual closets here, this being one of them. Good amount of place to hang your clothes there. And this is gonna be your second one. And what I really like about this home is that it connects into your laundry room. Just for added convenience, really functional floor plan. You can easily do laundry here, take it into your closets there, super easy. And you actually have extra space there for maybe your detergent, Tide Pods, anything you may need here. And wrapping around, like I mentioned, back into the foyer, here we are. Now, let's go ahead and check out the upstairs. Through these floating shelves, you will have carpet, and with the abundance of windows here, you're gonna have views outside at all times. Here we have a closer look at these dome ceilings and beautiful light fixture. You have this bridge that leads you into your humongous second living space here. If you want to convert this into a game room, you can even put a pool table here, making it a lounge area to hang out with the boys. Moving forward, this is your third bedroom total, and it will be an ensuite again for those older teenagers. This won't be a tub shower combo as well. Now let's go ahead and check out what's across from this, because you do get a flex room / home theater area. You can use this as a game room, a studio. You could even convert this into a home gym if you'd like. And over here, we have your fourth and final bedroom. Good amount of natural light there. And over here, good sized closet with some shelving for your shoes, colognes, watches. And right next door is a full bathroom, good amount of cabinet space there. And of course, tub and shower combo over here separated. Now this is the bathroom that people would be using if they have to use the bathroom up here. For example, if you have a guest who came to hang out, they have a conveniently placed bathroom there so they can come back and get right into the action once they finish up doing their business. And of course, you have a beautiful view down to the second floor. You can see the TV, for example, views to your back. You actually have views to your kitchen and your formal dining room as well. Now, does this home check all the boxes to be considered your next dream home? If it does and you would like to get started, you can find my contact here, as well as down in the description where you find additional information about the community and the amenities offered here. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.